If you want to custom sound recognition on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So go ahead and open up the settings. Click accessibility, scroll a little bit down, and then click sound recognition. Just go ahead and turn it on. And then basically you're gonna wait until the sound recognition is uploaded. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click sounds from here. Let's say for example I want to add a cat sound, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead, turn on the cat sound for sound recognition and click allow notifications, and you're gonna see the alert tones, right? And if you want to set your own custom appliance or doorbell, you could just go ahead and click on it, and then you could just go ahead and click continue, and then name your appliance or doorbell. So I'm gonna say hit continue, and then just start listening. Okay, and then just follow along the on-screen instruction, and then basically I'm gonna hit finish later so I don't compromise my voice, because I'm recording and that requires for me to record my own voice inside the sound recognition. And basically after you follow the prompts, you're gonna be able to add the sound recognition, the custom sound recognition on your iPhone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.